welcome back to my channel. My name's Kaylah Arnae. Hey, hi, you there? Okay, so today's video is super simple, super quick, super easy. I just show you my everyday no makeup routine, including no foundation, no concealer, you know. But yes, just a little, you'll see. I mean, you know, it's just so much going on here, you know, so you just gotta watch to see what happens. But okay, love you. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and leave me a comment. Just say hi, like even if you're just saying hi, like I just want to know that you're here. So yeah, I will see you shortly in my next video and in a second when you just keep watching, okay? We're just gonna jump into this so that we can get started. My face is so much tanner than my body, like. So for the brows, well, normally I like to use soap, but we're out of bar soap. We just have the wash. But anywho, what I'm gonna do is take the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So I have one of those little disposable spoolies. Spray it with some of the setting spray. We're going to brush up. Keep them in place a little bit, shape them out. Now this is my eyebrow routine that I've been doing since the beginning of time. So we're just gonna let that dry a little bit. Now for the eyebrow pencil, I'm using the Brow Ultra Slim by Maybelline. And I'm going to just, oh, you can see this good. I'm sitting up as close as I can. But I'm going to just underline. You'll see I'm literally just tracing my eyebrow. And when it's kind of like hard to explain, but I'm tracing the top also, but I'm doing flicks as I'm like lining it. So I'm not doing like one straight line. It looks like one straight line, but I'm really just doing little baby flicks. Going upwards. And then I like to brush up. Like, okay, so as we're looking a little cray, we're going to move on to the next brow. So now I'm taking, it's a little small concealer brush that I'm going to use to clean up the brow. I like to use whatever foundation I normally use, but literally just any foundation. Because I'm not wearing any foundation or concealer, I just want it to look as close to my skin complexion as I can get it. So I just take a little bit on the brush, literally just the smallest amount. And I'm just going to clean up the bottom. And I just like to, you're just cleaning it up. And then I like to take my finger, blend that in a little bit so it doesn't look crazy. You see how it like pretty much, it's, you know, you can't even really see it. And then I like to clean up the top as well. And because my face is pre-moisturized and everything, which is why I like, I'm excited to show you guys my soap brow routine. But it's like things slide all around, especially the pencil of the eyebrow pencil, the actual eyebrow pencil. It just slides and glides around because my face is just so like slippery right now due to the prep of the skin, you know. So if you want that, you gotta let me know. But again, same thing. Anybody else haven't had their eyebrows done since 2019? I'm talking like a good 10 months ago. Okay, I go back in with the pencil and I'm just gonna, I like to elongate my tail so it doesn't look like short and stubby. And then I'm just cleaning up the front. Then I like to take my spoolie and brush up. I need my soap. You're pretty much just cleaning up, making them as thin or thick as you please. My eyebrows come out different every time. I mean, I'm just gonna leave them like this for today. We're just gonna leave it like this because if I keep going, it's just, they're gonna end up coming off. But you know, that's part of doing your brows. The next part, let me scoot you back a little bit, you're a little too close. So now, the next part is my favorite part. Again, my skin is already pre-prepped. So honestly, this really only just tops it off because, you know, but we do have a little baby there. This is the First Solid Liquid Glass Radiance Mixed Skin Serum. You guys know I love this stuff. I've been using it in my past few makeup tutorials. But I just get a dollop amount, well, a 1 dropper amount. Just enough, you'll know, just enough. And I just put this all over my face. If you guys want like me to show you my daytime skincare routine, let me know and I'll do that. But see, told you guys my face is much darker than my body. But yeah, what is this pimple? Like, I haven't had a pimple in a minute. I don't understand. Alright, we are gonna put on some mascara and then you are done, okay? You are done. Now, I do want to say this stuff, I love it so much because not only does it just make you look super dewy and fresh and hydrated, it's not sticky, it's not annoying, it just feels like a typical moisturizer that you would put on your face. However, it's not a moisturizer, you still need your moisturizer. However, I would put this on after I put on my moisturizer. And I have on eye cream and all that stuff. Just let me know if you want a daytime skincare routine because that's what I do every time before I do my makeup and when I'm not wearing makeup. Okay, so for mascara, I'm going to use the Lash Sensational by Maybelline, my favorite. Just coat it on there, however much you want. And just have a blast with it. I love putting mascara on like freshly, like no makeup on the lashes. Oh my gosh, for a second I didn't think I was recording. Okay, but do you already see the difference? Like, I know you can see the difference. I know you can see the difference. I know you can. So don't lie, because I know you can see it. Like, by the way, I haven't re-dipped my wand in the mascara either. And as I'm putting it on, I really hope you can see, but as I'm putting it on, I'm like flaring them out, placing them where I want them to go, making them look wispy and flirty and just, you know, cute. I'm gonna do like another coat or so, because, you know, why not? I'm getting mascara all over my eyelid, by the way. Love that. Then a little bit on the lower lash line, giving a little, you know, baby doll effect. And then once that dries, I'm gonna clean up my lids with a spoolie to flick that shit off. You see the difference it makes? Like, I'm already looking alive, okay? Now, depending on my mood, I'll wear, where the hell is my lip gloss? So depending on how I feel, like where I'm going or what I feel like doing, I wear a lip liner. Today's one of those days. I'm gonna be using 2 lip liners by Bodyography. I have Rosewood and Pouty. I'm gonna start off with Rosewood just for the like outer liner part because it's darker. So after I put the 2 lip liners on, I'm gonna go in with this Pixie gloss. It's just a clear lip gloss. Well, not really. It's in the shade Petal Ice, but it's clear. Ooh. Love that. Ooh. Going for the juice look, you know, juicy. Alright. Okay guys, that's it for this look. You know, super long and like so hard, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this quick, or enjoyed this quick glam, you know, and super simple. Just, this is my go-to brows, mascara, gloss, and then skin, you know. So that's what we're going for. And if you guys try any of these products, let me know. I highly recommend everything that I used, so get on that, and I will see you soon for my next video. But yeah, love you.